What it do? What's up, loves? Hi guys, happy new year. It's your girl Morgan Sinclaire back again for another video. I'm so excited to be in 2021 with you guys. If I haven't said happy new year to you guys in my last video, make sure you first go check that out, and then second, happy new year. So today I am doing a how to style basics. I got on this basic black dress. I'm gonna show you how I style my fits with just one basic piece and how you can get fresh fits with just one piece. So take a look, because it's the last time I'll be looking this basic, and we'll get into the video. But first, let me just tell y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all of that to my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all, hurry up. It's already started. Come on. I'm here. And I got the snacks. Oh, you do? Thank you, girl. I know. Save me some of those. Yeah, save me some of those. And why you got that? Last thing to do. And I'll be ready. Never mind all that. Scratch all that. Forget y'all. We already late. It's already started. Back to the show. Snipey. Guys, let's go ahead and get started. Right now I have on these leather boots that have these flannel design detail material on top, and I'll be teaching you guys how to do different ways to style your flannel shirt. So first, do not forget to follow me on Instagram, just had to say that, and on my other social medias. All right, so as I put on this flannel shirt, I'm just going to show you how basic it looks and how ugly it is if you just wear it like this. Not cute. Not cute at all. Okay, so the first idea I had was to let's tie it and make it into like a halter / mini shirt and make this fit actually like a shirt and a skirt, and roll the sleeves up to give it just a little bit of, you know, form fit to my body, because it's an oversized flannel shirt. So I mean, like, your flannel shirt, depending on how your flannel shirt fits, you do not have to roll up your sleeves. Some people leave it down. Some people have those bands where the sleeves roll up anyway. I just chose to roll up my sleeves here. And then I add some accessories, and y'all already know I love me some sunglasses, so I added me some red and blue tint sunglasses with a gold rim. So this is what the first fit will look like if you tie your shirt. All right, next option, I will be using a belt, and we're just gonna make this into a peplum top. Now, hear me out. I know y'all are like, what? But for real though, this is going to be real cute. And people are going to think that, hey, you bought it like this. This is how you bought it. So if you style the flannel shirt right, make it kind of pleated on the side, then it'll look like a peplum jacket. So excited. So it'll kind of look businessy. I probably should have changed my shoes, but I'm going to show you how I pull it and make it fitted. Now, you can use a bigger belt. I used a smaller belt, and you can unroll your sleeves, or you can keep your sleeves rolled. But to make it more wintertime appropriate, and if you want to wear this to your job, this is super cute to wear to your job. And let me put my shades back on. And I would wear ponytailed shoes with this fit to make it more, you know, business appropriate. I'm really feeling myself, y'all. All right, so now we're getting rid of the belt. We're gonna put that belt down, throw it over there. Another way to wear it, a lot of people love to wear statement pieces. You can wear it off your shoulder, like legit off your shoulder, and it just be a statement piece. People do this all the time, and I thought this would be a good option to just show you guys. Halfway on your arms. Last but not least, we can tie it around our waist. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. I folded the corners in and made sure that the sleeves connected from seam to seam. And then you tie it and it just looks like an extension of your dress. And this is going back to a casual look. So there's so many different ways you can style your flannel, but these are the ways that I like to style my flannel. Leave a comment down in the section below. Let me know how you guys feel about this. Remember, God got you. You got this. And whoever invented this, you can go somewhere. You already know where you can go. And we'll see you in the next video.